of active military service, dedicated to God, country, and the Filipino people. As I stand before you today, my heart is filled with profound gratitude, humility, and pride. Gratitude and pride. Gratitude for the countless opportunities to serve. Humility for having been entrusted with position of leadership and responsibility. And pride in having served alongside courageous men and women who have devoted their lives to safeguarding our nation. First and foremost, I give all the glory and honor to Almighty Allah for this divine guidance, protection, and countless blessings throughout my military journey. Through every challenges, every deployment, every hardship, every victory, His wisdom and mercy have sustained me, strengthening my resolve to serve faithfully and honorably. To our Commander, 1st Infantry Tabak Division, General Igor Barokel Jr., Sir, I express my deepest gratitude for your trust, confidence, and guidance, and unwavering support. Your exemplary leadership and strategic vision have inspired us to perform our duties with excellence and remain steadfast in our commitment to peace, security, and development in Mindanao. Kanina pinakita ni Sir yung aking picture na natutulog. Ganon siya mag-demand ng trabaho. Kanina nakita niyo, natutulog ako doon sa aming Tactical Operation Command Center. Dahil ayaw ko ma-miss yung single na minuto na kinakailangan ko mag-desisyon. At ganon ako pinalaki ng ating commander. Palakpakan pa rin po natin ang ating po. Sir, thank you for the opportunity to serve under your command and allowing me to contribute to the mission and accomplishment of this great division. When I assumed command of this brigade, I set 4 clear strategic objectives that would guide our effort and define our mission. These objectives were to decisively defeat the Dawla Islamiyah Danang and to dismantle the ISAC file, facilitate the settlement of long-standing widow among communities, strengthen the implementation of small arms and light weapon management program, and assure that the conduct of peace and order, peaceful, orderly, and credible national and local election 2025 with no failure of election. Yan, sir, ang aking binigay mo sa aking mission. Winayasyon. Through the unwavering dedication and professionalism and sacrifices of every Haribon trooper, together with the steadfast support of our stakeholders, partner agencies, we were able to make significant strides towards achieving this goal. This accomplishment stands as a testament not to the effort of mine alone, but to the collective commitment of all who shared in our mission of securing peace, stability, and progress in our area of responsibility. At this point, sir, allow me to present to you my tour of duty report. To our esteemed local chief executive, our provincial governor of Lanao del Sur, the city mayor, now the vice mayor of Marawi City, the municipal mayors, the vice mayor, members of Sangguniang Bayan, barangay official, and all elected leaders throughout the area of responsibility, please accept my sincerest and heartfelt appreciation. Throughout my tenure as commander of 103rd Brigade, you have not merely been partner in governance, you have been indispensable allies in our collective pursuit of lasting peace, sustainable development, and public security. To our esteemed Governor, Honorable Mamintal Bumbita Jong, who is not around, but ably represented by the Vice Governor, Mujam Jong, who always beside me, strongly supporting the brigade. Sangibong salamat. Hindi ko naisip anong tamang word at pagpasalamat ko kay God. Please, Vice, tell the good governor, thank you very much. To all the dedicated mayors who strongly supporting this brigade plans and programs, nandito, alam ko, nandito kayo lahat. Again, sangibong salamat. Maraming mayor, almost nandito sila lahat. Naging matatag ang 103rd Brigade because alam namin nandiyan kayo sa aming likuran. Salamat, Mayor. To our valued partners in peace building and development, and our partners from non-government organization, magbiting ko ang Jean Powell, nandyan si Nel Binayaw. Thank you, Nel. Our local media, the Rotary Club, the Inner Wheel, the Teach Peace, Build Peace movement, the RAM Philippines, APSLAI, Pacific, ACDI, the MBI, and the Office of the Vice President, BARM, and Mr. Mindanao Satellite Office. Nandito sila. Dito pa si Mampong, Pong Abbas. I extended my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support, steadfast cooperation, and enduring partnership throughout my tenure as commander of this brigade. Together, we strengthen our peace-building initiative through strategic communication, capacity building programs, and meaningful community engagement. Your commitment to promoting peace, development, and unity has been instrumental in advancing our shared vision of a secured, progressive, and resilient Lanao del Sur. Of course, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa aking nandun si Adjong, ang chief ng security ng probinsya. Chief Adjong, please stand. Thank you very much also. He is behind, silent lang siya pero malaking tulong po niya sa brigade. the significant gain we achieved in our peace and security operation, the successful implementation of government programs, strengthening the local peace mechanism with the MILEP and MNM. Nung dumating ako dito sa brigade, nung pag-assume ko ng as brigade commander, marami po akong na-receive na complaint from the MILEP commanders on the ground. But because of our strong partnership with the MILEP peace mechanism, itong mga animosity na na-receive ko ay nawala. Thank you very much, our MILEP partners. Dati, pag makita lang sa gilid, yung sundalo, may ma-receive ka agad ako na tawag. Bakit may sundalo na lumalapit dito sa amin? Ngayon, I can report to the division command. Wala na po ngayon na. Instead, makikita mo yung ating MILEP at mga sundalo na nagkakape sa kanilang respective camps. At yun ang gusto natin makita. Thank you, Peace Mechanism, for that strong partnership we forged together. Thank you, Sir MP Bantas, for always responding to all the call of service. Thank you, Sir MP. Palapakan po natin si MP Janati Bantas. The advancement of the camp transformation program through the executive various government development projects, the reduction of threat affecting our communities, and the promotion of socio-economic progress were all made possible through our unwavering support, steadfast cooperation, and shared commitment to public service. This accomplishment stands as a testament to what we achieved with government agencies, local government units, security forces, community stakeholders that work together with unity of purpose in pursuit of lasting peace, stability, and development of our area of responsibility. Gusto ko rin magitin yung contribution ng ating MNLF sa ni-enjoy natin ngayon na kapayapaan dito sa probinsya ng Mindanao. Thank you. Nandiyan si Sir Del Malna. Sir Del, thank you very much also for the partnership. Thank you for embracing the whole of nation approach, for opening your door of collaboration, and for standing shoulder by shoulder with your armed forces of the Philippines in addressing the complex challenges confronting our communities. Your leadership, courage, and dedication have greatly contributed to the peace, stability, and progress of our province, of our people now enjoy. Especially that the provincial government of Lanao del Sur has achieved a significant growth in its gross domestic product that a clear testament of our continuous collaboration and shared commitment to peace, stability, and sustainable development in the province. Thank you, Governor, Vice Governor, for this achievement. This remarkable progress reflects the strong partnership among local government units, security forces, stakeholders, and the people of Lanao del Sur in advancing prosperity and improving the quality of life of our communities. May the partnership we have nurtured through the years continue to flourish and serve as a testament that when government officials, security forces, stakeholders, communities unite under a common vision, no challenge is too difficult. No aspiration for peace is beyond and reach. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga local government units. To our partners, government agencies, member of the parliament, of the BARM government, law enforcement agencies, traditional leaders, religious leaders, ang ating mga dato, mga bai, all stakeholders, I likewise extend my deepest gratitude. Palakpakan po natin yung ating mga sultans na dito ngayon. Thank you for believing in our mission and for sharing your expertise, resources, and commitment in advancing peace, security, and development throughout our area of responsibility. The achievement of the Haribon Brigade are not ours alone. They are the result of our collective effort, shared sacrifices, and enduring partnership. I shall always treasure the friendship, the trust, and the mutual respect we have built together. And now, to the officer and enlisted personnel, and above all, the proud Haribon troopers, no words can adequately express my gratitude and admiration I have each one of you. Thank you for allowing me the privilege, honor, and distinction of serving alongside some of the finest soldiers of the Philippine Army. Lapakan po natin ang Haribon. I have witnessed courage in combat, your perseverance during adversity, your discipline amidst hardship, and your unwavering commitment to accomplishing the mission regardless of the sacrifices demanded by duty. I have seen many of you spend months away from your families. Walang uwian. Kikita natin doon sa Blue Mountain ng ating mga sundalo. Hindi lang yun napapansin dahil malaki yung bundok ng Blue Mountain. But nandoon araw-araw gabi yung ating mga sundalo. Pinabantayan kayo para kayo ay makatulog ng mahimbing. Our soldiers endured difficult terrain, weather condition, overcome uncertainty and danger, and continue pressing forward with determination and professionalism. Such sacrifices often go unseen, but they form the very foundation of our brigade's success. Haribon troopers, thank you very much for your sacrifice. Some of them offered an ultimate sacrifices. Namatay sa Pagera dahil gusto natin ng kapayapaan sa Lanao del Sur. Every accomplishment attributed to me during my command is a truth, a reflection of your dedication, competence, and self-service. The operational successes we achieved against these threat groups, the strengthening of our peace initiative, and the growing trust and confidence of our communities, and the numerous milestones accomplished by this brigade were made possible because of your commitment, teamwork, and unwavering devotion to duty. Thank you for your loyalty, trust, and support throughout the command. Thank you for carrying out every mission with honor, courage, and excellence. More importantly, thank you for upholding the highest tradition and core values of the Philippine Army. As I relinquish command, and retire from the active military service, I do so with complete confidence in the future of this brigade. The 103rd Haribon Brigade has never been defined by a single commander. It is defined with the character, competence, and commitment of our soldiers. I have no doubt that under the new commander, suggests this brigade will continue to soar to even greater heights. Remain the pillars of peace and security in this part of Mindanao. Continue to serve with courage, continue to protect our people with compassion, continue to perform our duty with integrity, and continue to embody the spirit of the Haribon warriors, fearless, steadfast, and humble. Always remember that assignment may change, commander may come and go, the uniform may eventually be set aside, but the legacy of the soldier's service to our nation endures long after the final salute. To the officers and soldiers of the Haribon Brigade, allow me to leave you with this simple message. Leadership is not measured by rank, position, authority, or the star we wear in our shoulders. Leadership is measured by our willingness to serve others before ourselves. It is about taking care of our soldiers, accomplishing the mission, and remaining faithful to our oath and the values we swore to uphold. Lead with integrity, lead with humility, lead with courage, and lead with compassion. And always remember that the true measure of leader is not how the people follow him, but how lives he has possibly influenced through his example and service. As I close this remarkable chapter of my life, I leave the military with a heart full of gratitude, cherish memories. I take with me the friendship forged in hardship, the lesson learned throughout service, and the privilege of having served our beloved country alongside extraordinary men and women. Though I am retiring from the military service, my commitment to peace, nation building, and public service will never retire. To everyone who came part of this journey, my commander, my mentor, fellow soldiers, local government leaders, stakeholders, partners, friends, and supporters, thank you for allowing me the honor and privilege of serving you. May we continue working together towards a future that is safer, more peaceful, more prosperous, and more united for the people of Mindanao and for our beloved Republic of the Philippines. From the deep of my heart, thank you. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po. Sukran. Mabuhay ang 103rd Brigade. Mabuhay ang 1st Infantry Tabak Division, Philippine Army. Mabuhay ang Philippine Army. Sangibong salamat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.